Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a haircut with the brand new Nicole Renae Influencer Edition Low Pro FXs from Babyliss Pro. If you guys want to check out the full unboxing, head to the channel and check out this video right here. But I just wanted to do a cut with these clippers so you guys could see how they cut. They are quickly becoming some of my favorites to use because I did take the notches out. They also have the fusion blade on them, but these things are an absolute improvement from the first version, so you guys should definitely check them out. If you guys want to pick some up, head to babylesspro.com and make sure to use code Seancutshair to save 10% on your entire order. I hope you guys enjoyed this cut. Leave any questions you guys may have in the comment section down below, and I will answer them as soon as I can. But anyway, let's knock out this taper on my man JT. right guys, that is it for the haircut with the brand new Influencer Edition Low Pro FXs. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Man, these clippers are so improved from the ones that I had before. The lever opens so much further. The clicks can come out, you guys know I like that. And the blue color is super sick. There are also 2 other colorways. Like I said, if you guys want to check out that video, make sure you click right here to learn more about the Influencer Low Pros.